Over the years owning TruckMount Forums, I've seen cleaners dump wastewater down driveways, in parking lots, at car washes, in yards, in gutters, storm drains, driving down the street, and even on their heads.
There are hefty fines and even jail time for repeat offenders. Plus, it can ruin your reputation. So what is the right way to dump wastewater?
First, you need to know what's in carpet cleaning wastewater that's so bad. Each day we extract body oils, dead skin, fungus, mildew, bacteria, sand, grit, pesticides, and grime. But there's two things that are much worse. One is nasty cleaning ingredients that hide under proprietary formulas. They usually hide loads of toxic solvents, sodium hydroxides, sodium hypochlorites, and optical brighteners, to mention a few. Not only do they eventually dull the carpets in homes, they're also dangerous to you, the homeowners, their pets, and their children, and aquatic life.
Number two is even worse. It's synthetic carpet fibers.
Loose nylon, polyester, polypropylene, and olefin fibers are pulled into vacuum cleaners and carpet cleaning extractor tanks daily.
Ask yourself, do you really want to be responsible for nasty toxins and petroleum fibers floating in your rivers, lakes, and oceans, or in your drinking water? Well, neither does your local municipality or county government, and that's who decides where and how you can dump wastewater. Some cleaners have been fined up to $10,000 for violating these laws, so tread carefully, my friend.
Take time to call and ask for your local county ordinance, or see if you can download a copy for your office. Then train all your staff so they don't violate the law either.
Now, I can't tell you what's in your local laws, but I can tell you not one single municipality wants this in your lakes, rivers, or your oceans, and neither should you.
It's wrong to dump in a driveway or in a parking lot because it goes right down into the storm drains, right into the water table, retention ponds, or waterways, right into fish gills, right into heavy fines. On the flip side, most counties accept dumping wastewater close to a home in hedges. This allows the silt of the earth to filter the wastewater. Still, check your local laws, especially if you're in California.
Okay, the most preferred method is using the sewer cleanout at the home. Almost all new homes now come with a sewer cleanout, but sometimes it's kind of hidden down inside the mulch or in the rocks. Take a look. Of course, you want to make sure you check your city bylaws, and if it's possible to use it, go ahead, unscrew the cap, put your hose in there, and you're good to go.
This sends it to the water treatment plant where it's filtered and treated so you can drink it from the tap.
Oh, I hope they got all the urine, feces, blood, poo, and fibers out at the water treatment. I think I'll filter it again.
Get an inline Boss filter so you never have to go into that nasty, smelly waste tank. Put in a paint filter and catch virtually all those loose fibers. Then just toss it in the garbage at the end of the day. We also recommend using TMF Chems. Being a family business at tmfshop.net, we buy the safest and highest quality cleaning agents available. I actually use them on all my trucks.
Lastly, make sure you pick up the TMF Mixing Guide version 2. It has all kinds of cool pictures with all of our products and exactly how to mix them, which takes all the guesswork out of mixing and using chemicals properly. On top of it, I've got a list of all the ideal cleaning steps, tips and tricks from all the years I've been in business, and lots of secret recipes too. Don't be like this guy, be like this guy.